Today we will look at grid control, which is an important term for moving components and devices after generating a layout from a schematic. Without grid control sitting, DRC cannot be cleaned in fabrication. Generating a layout from a schematic, the first thing to do before moving everything is to set up the grid controls. Make sure X snap spacing and Y snap spacing value is 0.01. If we don't do this before moving everything, we will get an off-grid error when doing DRC. Then there must be a problem with manufacturing or fabrication. So to solve this problem we need to fix the grid control. (0.01) means that if we zoom in here, zoom layer, we can see that the mouse is not exactly at the right point, it's a little modified. When you move the mouse, the point jumps and shifts. It can be seen that the edge will match on one side and space on the other side, due to the 0.01 spacing value. This spacing needs to be adjusted to resolve edge errors and off-grid errors.